Welcome back to another update on the 9.2-kilometer Sunyani Inner Ring Road project in the Bono Region of Ghana. In this episode, our area journey begins at the new town extension, right beside the Sunyani Technical University Campus B. From here, the drone heads towards the Sunyani Technical University Roundabout, revealing the latest construction progress along this important section of the road. Earthworks are steadily advancing. Some sections of the road corridor have already been cleared and shaped by the grader, preparing the surface for the next stages of construction. On the opposite side, an excavator is busily excavating drainage trenches and stabilizing the ground to ensure proper drainage and a strong road foundation. As we approach the Sunyani Technical University Roundabout, the alignment of the Inner Ring Road becomes much clearer. This road will continue towards the Area 2 community, forming an important transport link around the city. On our return flight, the drone passes several key landmarks, including the Center for Natural Culture, the nearby Jubilee Park, and the Department of Feeder Roads. These familiar locations highlight just how strategically this road has been planned. Continuing our flight, we passed the Get Fund Hostel before reaching the Sunyani landfill, the city's main disposable site. Beyond this point, the drone flies over Adomako, where a closer view reveals the future connection with the Sunyani Inner Ring Road near the Esufufu area. When completed, the Sunyani Inner Ring Road will play a vital role in improving mobility across the city. It will provide an alternative route for motorists, reducing traffic congestion within the central business district and shortening travel times. The road will also support economic growth by making it easier for farmers from communities such as Atronie and surrounding villages to transport fresh produce directly to the Nana Bosma Wednesday market without passing through the busy town center. In addition, timber trucks traveling from the forest communities will have a more efficient route to the Sunyani Technical University Roundabout, while the outer ring road is still under construction. This will improve the movement of goods while reducing pressure on the city's existing road network. With drainage works, earth moving, and road preparation progressing steadily, the Sunyani Inner Ring Road continues to move closer to becoming one of the city's most important transportation corridors.